Hey guys, in this recording I will show you how to use FileZilla to transfer files from your local computer to the web server. So if you don't have FileZilla, you can simply go to Google Chrome or any browser and search for FileZilla, and then you can download it from there. So if you have Windows, you can download it from here using the FileZilla client. Or if you have a Mac OS, then you can do like FileZilla Mac download, and that will take you to the Mac OS download. So you can download it this way. All right. So after you download the program, then you have FileZilla installed on your machine. You can click on the icon to open it. And then each one of you should have received an email from me about your username, password, host, and port number to connect to the web server. And so basically, you would type in the host .net.reynolds.edu, and then you will use the provided username and password that I have given you. So in this case, I'm just going to use the one of the ones that I have. Just give me one moment here while I look up that information. Yeah, so I'm going to use one of the usernames that I have, which is itd212_21. Of course, this can be itd110, 212, 210, whatever username that you were provided. And then I'm gonna put the password in there. Again, you already have your password in your email. And port will be number 22. So then when I click Quick Connect, you see it's connecting to the server, and now it says successful, meaning I'm connected successfully to the remote server. You see how it says remote site here? So remote site is basically my remote server, and currently I have nothing in there. And so basically if I were to go to my website, if I open this and I go to my website .net.reynolds.edu/itd212/itd212_21, and remember this is the username I used to log in. If I hit enter, you see it says like nothing is in there, it's giving me server error. So I will show you once you upload like a web page or a website, you'll see how we will get something afterwards. All right, so let's go to FileZilla again. I'm gonna go to my documents folder. So this area here is my local machine, and this is my remote server. All right, and so underneath that I do have an ITD folder. Here we go. So I have an ITD110. Again, create one that pertains to your class. So it could be ITD212, 110, 210. And you see I have an HTML file that I want to upload to my server. So I do recommend you to create a folder here. So in this case, I would, for example, right click on my remote site. I will create a directory, and for example, I will call it my-web site. Okay, click OK. So now I have this folder in my remote server. I will double click in it to go inside, and then I will move my HTML file from my local machine to the remote server. You see how I uploaded it? and it says successful. It is uploaded successfully. And so I would go to Chrome and I will type here my dash website, because this is the folder I created, and then the name of my page, best of Reynolds.html. And you see how basically I uploaded my HTML to my web server. So that's how you would upload your files and your documents to your web server. Now, when you work on a project like your midterm or your final, you will have a folder structure in your local machine. Then you can drag the whole folder to the remote server. You don't have to drag it one file at a time. You can drag the entire folder over there. I hope that this recording helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and have a wonderful day.